The H-bomb. After the Soviet Union exploded their first nuclear bomb in 1949, Edward Teller, a theoretical physicist, became determined to make the hydrogen bomb due to the heated competition between the U.S. and Soviet Union at the time. As part of the Manhattan Project, a secret United States government project for developing nuclear weapons, Edward and a group of other scientists created the hydrogen bomb. He finished the bomb in 1951, 6 years after the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan, using the conventional nuclear weapons.
Hydrogen bombs rely on combining two or more atoms together in a reaction called fusion. Fusion is what powers stars like our sun to make them so hot and bright. In order to achieve this reaction, extremely high temperatures are required. So in order to achieve these temperatures, a conventional nuclear weapon is almost always contained with the hydrogen bomb in order to start the reaction.
The difference between a hydrogen bomb and a conventional nuclear weapon is in their reactions. Hydrogen bombs use the fusion of atoms as their source of energy, while conventional nuclear weapons use fission. This process of fusion results in much greater blasts, oftentimes thousands or millions of times larger than fission bombs. This is because once the fusion reaction begins between the hydrogen atoms, the reaction causes other reactions, which in turn carries on the release of energy until the blast cools enough to stop the reaction. Fission bombs split an atom instead of combining atoms. This results in a much smaller but also more controlled explosion. These were the types of bombs that were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It is possible that if a large enough hydrogen bomb was used in the place of conventional weapons, all of Japan could be wiped out with one bomb.
The bombs that were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki exploded with a yield of 15 and 20 kilotons of TNT. For reference, 1 kiloton is equal to 1,000 tons of TNT. If that seems like a lot, the Tsar Bomba, which is the most powerful nuclear weapon ever made, a hydrogen bomb exploded with a force of 50 megatons, or 50 million tons of TNT, a force equal to 3,800 Hiroshima blasts. If that doesn't scare you, the Tsar Bomba was actually capable of 100 megatons of force, but due to concerns over radioactive dust, the bomb was limited to only 50 megatons.
Мы наблюдали это с расстояния 70 километров. Какое-то количество людей находилось ближе. Одного солдата, находившегося в канаве, засыпало песком, и один солдат погиб. В одном из близлежащих сел население было все выведено